Hello, my name is Russell Napier and I am the keeper of the Library of Mistakes here in Edinburgh. The library's been up and running since 2014. If you're watching this video, you've probably visited, you've probably been reading there, or you've probably joined us for some of our lectures. Well, the exciting news is the library is moving to a much bigger premises, so we can accommodate many more people there in this public library. Not only that, we can accommodate them for reading, but also our lectures as well. And we will, through the marvels of modern science, be able to beam those lectures and events to a much wider audience across the planet. The library will still be in the centre of Edinburgh, in Melville Street in Edinburgh's West End. And we hope there to, during the day, also accommodate some activities for younger people who are interested in careers in finance, in conjunction with our sister charity Future Assets. If you'd like to support the work of the Library of Mistakes to change the world one mistake at a time, please feel free to do so by providing financial support through the Just Giving webpage, or perhaps you can email me directly if you prefer to do it that way to support the library in its work going forward. Finance is a dominant theme in the world today. It's likely to become more so, and its relationship with government and society is likely to shift very dramatically as we go forward in the post-COVID world. The library, the study of financial history, has something to say about these relationships, which are perhaps not well covered in the modern finance curriculum. So change the world one mistake at a time, support your Library of Mistakes, and I hope to see you all soon in the new Library of Mistakes, Melville Street in Edinburgh. And please help us and support us in that move. Thank you.